Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, we are from Group 9 with consisting of me, Vicky Pramesti, Zulfarima Fadila, Novelia Sulistiani, Solika Nurjana, and Ahmad Suryokusumo. On this occasion, we will present the material about dialogue or monologue teaching report text in EFL class. So let's go to the first material. The first material will be presented by Zulfa Rima Fadila.
Okay, I'm Zulfarima Fadila. We'll start the presentation. The first material is teaching report text. In teaching report text, there are pre-teaching. And pre-teaching divided into two activities. The first one is preparation. Preparation is important to do for the teacher before starting an activity. The teacher may prepare the material, media, and lesson plan that will be used to support learning process. There are several important things that must be prepared before teaching the lesson. They are material, media, and lesson plan. And the second one is activity. In pre-teaching activity, the teacher prepares the students' readiness for learning process. The learning process will not run well if the students are not ready to be involved in learning activity. So, it is best if the teacher grades them. And the next is while teaching. This activity involves introducing the students to a model of the genre that they will write or report text. It focuses on analyzing the genre through a model related to the topic. The purpose of this step is to build up student understanding about social function, generic structure, and language features of report text.
I will explain the next material, that is definition of report text. Report text is a text that presents information on a case by what it is. This text is the result of systematic observation and analysis. They generally describe an entire class of things, whether natural or made. Mammals, the planets, rocks, plants, countries of origin, culture, transportation, and so on. Thus, the actual descriptive text of the report and have a fairly clear difference, although both appear to be a twin brother. Jadi report text adalah teks yang menyajikan informasi tentang suatu hal yang berkaitan dengan benda baik alami maupun buatan secara umum. Teks ini merupakan hasil pengamatan dan analisis yang sistematis. Next is generic structure of report text. Report text has two generic structures. The first is general classification. General statement that describe the subject of a report, description, and classification. And the second is description. Tells what the phenomenon under discussion in terms of part qualities, habits, or behaviors. In this section usually give the phenomena that occur, but its part is properties, habits, or behavior. The point is the translation of scientific classification are presented. Jadi klasifikasi umum merupakan pernyataan umum yang menggambarkan pokok bahasan, uraian, dan klasifikasi. Description menceritakan apa fenomena yang sedang dibahas dalam hal bagian, kualitas, kebiasaan, atau perilaku. Pada bagian ini biasanya memberikan fenomena yang terjadi, baik bagian-bagiannya, sifat-sifatnya, kebiasaannya, atau perilakunya. Intinya adalah terjemahan dari klasifikasi ilmiah yang disajikan.
The next material is language feature atau fitur kebahasaan. 1. Use of general noun, example, hunting dogs. Rather than particular noun, example, our dog. Menggunakan kata benda umum. Use of relative verb to describe feature, example, molecules are tiny particles. Menggunakan kata kerja yang berhubungan untuk menggambarkan fitur. Contohnya, molekul adalah partikel kecil. Some as of action verb by describing behavior, example, a mouse cannot fly. Terdapat penggunaan kata kerja tindakan untuk menjelaskan perilaku. Contohnya, emus tidak bisa terbang. Use of timeless present tense to indicate usefulness. Example, tropical cyclones always begin over the sea. Menggunakan present tense untuk menjelaskan kebiasaan. Contohnya, siklon tropis selalu dimulai dari atas laut. Use of technical terms, example, isobars are lines drawn on a weather map. Menggunakan istilah teknis. Contohnya, isobar adalah garis yang digambar pada peta cuaca. Use of paragraph with topic sentence to organize bundles of information. Repeated naming of the topic as the beginning focus of the clause. Next, purpose of report text atau tujuan report text. Its social purpose is presenting information about something. They describe an entire general class of things. Whether vertical or made ex mammals, the planets, rock, plants, countries of a region, culture, transportation, and so on. If concluded, the purpose of the report text is to convey information on the result of observation and systematic analysis.
The next matter is report text characteristic. The report text has some characteristics such as 1. Report text contains scientific facts, berisi fakta ilmiah. 2. The title of the report text looks general, can be recognized by a reader who do not have competence in the science of the report of the topic. Judul teks umum atau bisa dengan mudah dikenali oleh pembaca. 3. Usually accompanied by picture and statistically data to prove the result of the author observation. Biasa disertai dengan gambar dan data statistik untuk membuktikan hasil observasi penulis. The report text sentence use a simple present tense sentence patterns, menggunakan pola kalimat yang sederhana. Report text use general nouns as in language feature general nouns, menggunakan kata benda umum. Selanjutnya, using verb, there are incarnate according to the language feature, namely linking verb or relative verb, menggunakan kata kerja yang saling berhubungan seperti linking verb atau kata kerja relatif. Report text consists of an object and added with other objects, terdiri dari suatu objek dan bisa ditambah dengan objek lainnya. Report text describe various kind of group and not individual specifically, menggambarkan berbagai jenis kelompok dan bukan individu secara khusus. Yang terakhir, report text using conditional logical conjunction, for example, so, when, and so on. Report text menggunakan conditional conjunction seperti so, when, and so on.
Okay, so in the slide is an example of report text. Can be seen in the first paragraph is part of the general classification because the first paragraph contain general statement, description, and classification of cat. Jadi dalam slide tersebut merupakan contoh dari report text. Dapat dilihat pada paragraf pertama, merupakan bagian dari klasifikasi umum karena pada paragraf pertama tersebut berisi pernyataan umum, uraian, dan klasifikasi dari kucing itu sendiri. While the second and third paragraph are the descriptions because they discuss the habits, nature, and behavior of cat. Sedangkan pada paragraf kedua dan ketiga merupakan deskripsi karena membahas tentang kebiasaan, sifat, dan perilaku dari kucing. That was our video. Hopefully our material can be useful for all of us. Sorry if there are mistakes in our presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.